Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on the 2 times tables, and each slide will stay on for 3 seconds, and there are 24 questions, so it'll just give you some practice doing your tables. And what I'd advise is you get a pen and a sheet of paper so you can write the 24 answers down, and at the end on the last slide I will give you all the answers so you can check your answers and see how you went. Hopefully you'll get 24 out of 24. Now I will start the video now, so if you want to pause it for a moment to give you a chance to get a pencil and paper, you can. If you have your pencil and paper ready, here we go, and good luck. Okay, so here are the answers to the 24 questions. I'll leave this slide on for 3 or 4 minutes so you can check your answers. And I hope you went very well. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll be uploading a number of those on the different times tables. And hopefully you enjoyed it and you got some benefit from it.